Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another protective style video. Yes, protective style video. I should make this like a little series because I'm about to come up with a whole bunch of different protective styles. But anyways, I am coming to you guys with a new protective style video featuring some hair from a company called Beafay. This is the Silky straight Indian version here. I got 3 bundles from them. I got a 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch, as well as a closure. Okay, I know people usually just, when it comes to bundles, like their first thing to do is wigs, and to be honest, like I'm trying to switch it up. I'm going to show you guys the versatility. Wow, I can't even speak right now. When it comes to bundles, you don't always have to make wigs. There's a lot of protective styles out there that you can do, a lot of different styles in general. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys, with the help of my girl Monique, a protective style doing a sleek back. This girl slayed and laid my hair to the gods. Like, you guys are about to see how she slayed my hair as well as my edges and this ponytail that I'm about to do. So keep on watching. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below for all the hair details and the website. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So right now she's just sectioning my hair and applying gel to each section to really lay my hair down. This is something that I've never done before and something I've struggled with when it came to laying my hair down when I'm doing my sleek backs. And sometimes I'll be wondering, like, why won't my hair lay flat, or like why sometimes I will get like a little lump. And she showed me this technique of actually working in sections to lay the hair down and really get it laid down. So that is basically what she's doing right now. So she's just using regular EcoStyle gel. I think it's, yeah, it was a black EcoStyle gel. And you're probably wondering, like, oh my god, girl, she's putting so much gel in here. Honestly, she didn't put that much. And this is a protective style, so it's supposed to last me a couple of days. So you're gonna see, like, once it's dried and everything, like, you're not even gonna see the wetness. But yeah. So once my hair was laid, she began to just braid the ends of my hair, and then you're going to see she's going to grab some wrapping strips just to wrap around the ends of my hair. And this is where she's going to be wrapping the bundles on. This is just a great way to protect your hair instead of just gluing the hair on your actual hair and then having it like rip out your hair when it comes time to taking down your style. This is something that she also did in my last video, and I love this technique. One, because it's protecting my natural hair, and two, it just makes the takedown, I was about to say tech down, the takedown process even easier. Then once that's complete, I just sat under the dryer for a little bit, for a couple of minutes, just to let my hair dry. Now for the fun part. This is where she's going to begin to wrap the bundle. We end up using 2 bundles, a 16 and 18. I didn't want it too long, but like I didn't want it too short either, because I feel like with these styles, the longer the ponytail, the cuter it is. But first of all, you guys see how my hair is, it looks dried and it's really laid down. It wasn't hard at all. And right now on the wrapping strip, she just applied the glue around it, and then she just slowly wrapping the bundle around it. This hair, the one thing I really loved about it, it was super light. One of my fear is putting bundles in my hair and it feeling too heavy. With this hair, I didn't have that problem. The ponytail didn't feel heavy at all. I don't know if you guys ever experienced that before, but I like when hair feels light on my hair. I don't like when it feels like I'm straining my neck. I don't like that feeling at all. And this hair was super light, like I said before, and it was super soft. And I love this hair, to be honest. This is, what was this hair? Indian straight hair, and this hair was bomb.com. It literally blended in and looked like my natural hair. If you follow me on my social media, you'll see how my hair looks when it's straightened. And like I said in my previous video before, I love when I'm doing protective styles with hair that's not mine and it blends in. Like, that is a big thing for me. And finally, to secure the ends of the hair that she wrapped around the bun, she used bobby pins, and that was basically it. This was the final results to my hair. A lot of movement, it was not stiff. Look how it blends in, looks like my natural hair. Like, it's pretty crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out the description box down below for all the details on this hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!